Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Modern furniture materials and styles may come and go, but the charm of authentic wooden furniture and its all-world appeal remain unsurpassed. Commercial wood and plastic pieces pale in comparison as they lack a distinct identity. Introducing new pieces of wooden furniture into your home is like adding members to your household. The natural color, texture, and wood grain on each furniture piece have a story to tell. Something that brings you closer to nature. But are you worried that wooden furniture will scratch your budget? Well, honestly, it is not difficult to get your hands on a beautiful piece if you know where to look. When you are thinking of living room furniture ideas, wooden furniture is the way to go. The most practical advantage of wooden furniture is its strength. It can maintain that strength for decades. The greatest advantage of wooden furniture is its enduring look and appeal. The grain and tones of genuine hardwood bring warmth and character to any room. When finished correctly, even when the finish of wood furniture is improperly maintained, it still looks attractive. But wood is vulnerable to water. Moisture can damage wood finishes and soak into the wood underneath, causing it to split and swell. While the top coat should make your furniture resistant to damage caused by everyday use, sharp or heavy objects may scratch to finish. which would expose the wood underneath. Fixing stretches on a wood surface requires a craftsman's touch. Sanding or removing stain requires patience, care and attention to detail. As we mentioned, there are advantages and disadvantages in wooden furniture. But we all like to keep wooden furniture in our home. So keep watching this video for amazing wooden furniture ideas to make your home more attractive.